Alright, just picked up this awesome Star Wars character mug here from Target. Love the R2-D2 just because R2-D2 is round shaped, just like a mug. Just give you a little tour of the box here. Really, really neat. Can't wait to use this thing as my go-to coffee mug in the morning. Not much going on the bottom there. It was only $5. So if you see these, did I say I got this at Target? I meant Walmart. Walmart has a display selling these, and I forget which other one was there. It may have been a Darth Vader one. I can't remember, so I could be wrong. But there was these and another design character mug. So let's try and open this. Simple as that. One-handed operation. There it is. R2-D2. I like it. Thanks for watching this very quick, simple unboxing.